Everybody requires fuel. Do you wonder how a human body survives and thrives? Where does the energy come from? Yes, you are right, from food. We get food on our plates from different sources, let it be pulses, vegetables, meat, fish, and so much more. But the question is who and how are they produced? This is where the wholesome field of agriculture comes in. Agriculture is the process of crop production and manufacturing. Firstly, the food is grown on farms. By who? Yes, the farmers. The food is regularly produced, then with proper management and distribution, the food gets delivered to the people. As food is the main source of energy, can every human produce their own food? Is that possible? Well, food comes from planting seeds and breeding animals. Years back, food only came from hunting, fruits, and roots, till one day, humans learned cultivation, the process of regrowing crops and animals. The most popular crops grown are different vegetables, wheat, rice, sugarcane, and corn. The food producers use these raw materials to make refined products such as cereal, sugar, and canned food for the market. Interestingly, you cannot find oranges in summer because they require a specific temperature to grow in. Thus, agriculture is not everyone's job. Can you guess which crops are grown in your country? In the comments section, leave your answers.